Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. Today let's see how to make this Korean cheese corn, which is a much loved Korean side dish. So yummy and very easy to make. So into a pan add some butter and melt it. Then add some finely chopped onion and saute it till it becomes translucent. Once it changes its color, add some veggies like red and green bell pepper. Once it is sauteed for a while, add some corn. Here I have used frozen corn. You can use boiled corn as well. Then add some spices for the flavoring like red chili flakes, oregano and some salt. Mix it. Then turn off the flame. Then into that add some mayo. Here I have used homemade mayonnaise. I've already uploaded the recipe of homemade mayonnaise in my channel, you can check that out. Once it is well mixed in, here I'm adding that into an iron skillet. You can use any other oven safe bowl. On top of that, add lots of cheese. I use pizza cheese, but you can use any type of cheese. Once you fill it with lots of cheese, take that into the oven and choose the grill option and grill it for 10 to 20 minutes till it gets slightly roasted on top. Oh, look at that! I really love the taste of grilled cheese. You can sprinkle some oregano on top and it's ready to dig in. Oh, look at the cheesy corn. It's so delicious, very filling and so yummy. So do try it out. Leave your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment section below. Click the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot. Watch more amazing recipes from our channel. Thank you.